this 2001 Audi A4 2.0 liter. Robert Phillips, 2000 Monte Carlo 3.8 liter.
Here come Daddy. Here come Daddy again with this bum-looking car.
They got environmental, it runs that side.
No, he washing the ground.
Still a little track prep. Make sure your car stick. When they launch, it launch good. Hopefully it won't pop parts.
He's going against that white car.
Cute Audi? Yeah, the Audi bike. The Audi bike is just.
That Audi thinks all that. Daddy went against the silver Audi. Silver Audi. That lady is trying to be daddy. You know that.
Oh, you do not just get on my daddy in front of him. Second time. That's why you see Dad in front of him.
Come on, Dad. You have to cheat. Just cheat.
Cheat? Dad don't need to cheat. He'll win.
Yeah, we got Nick up here again, the 2013 Charger 5.7 Heavy. Again, 957 called not on file. Looks like a stove. But these two can take advantage all night long.
That car tried to tap on Daddy.
Yeah, back and forth indeed. Well, check out this gas on the wheel, 2013 Dodge Charger.
That white car did too.
Again, not on file. What is that? Not a measure? Miles an hour. All right, thanks.
That ugly old green car again. It's back.
We are closing down in 15 minutes. Looking to get another pass or two tonight. I usually get mine by 9 o'clock. If you're in line at 9, we'll send you out. If you're not in line at 9, then you missed out. So once again, folks, we're going to get any more lunch tonight. Need you to be in the station lane by 9 o'clock, which is less than 15 minutes from now. More than 10 minutes, less than 15 minutes, folks. We're going to set stuff down shortly. So, if you want to get another run, make sure you're in line by 9 o'clock. Thank you.
Dad need to get down here fast. He want to go another round, John.
Some of these people are here to race, and some of these people are just here to watch.
Miles per hour. Yeah, technically lost on the red light. But the neighbors want about who gets there first.
Whoa! Look at that car. Look at the car lights. It's going to go right down. Watch it.
They're going 80 miles an hour up the Fairport truck.
They're going to go down like his car just fell asleep.
At 99 miles an hour.
Which car? That car or the car that
little car.
Well, when he pulled up?
Yeah, when he pulled up there, they going to just close. He going to close it.
Warning, you're looking for one answer. Need to get in line within the next 10 minutes. If you're in line at 9, we'll run you out. If you're not, then you miss out.
Dad went up again.
We'll start wrapping things up tonight.
He didn't close him yet. If that guy would get out the way.
Corvette stays up in the right lane. He out in the...
He didn't close him.
Let's go. Better reaction time. Not very much horsepower. Corvette rolling. One off. Stamping up the tread. That Corvette takes predictable wind 12, 75 with 111.
Stay up. That's fair. That's one right there. Got a 4. Dr. 4. That's Dr.
4. A motorcycle against that Cadillac.
Motorcycle goes against Cadillac. Oh, motorcycle win. Yes, the motorcycle will win. Because he back up. Then that motorcycle will win.
Cadillac in the right-hand lane here, lane 2. 9:56. He's been doing some consistent times tonight. Great ET. Great RT too. That would be reaction time.
Here come Daddy. No, he in a race.
Daddy is not in a
We're getting ready to stage up here. We got the Charger on the left-hand side. He's got some mighty muscle right to that thing. Got the Cadillac on the right-hand side. A lot of GM power in that car too.
Still is mild out. How low should we wait?
We got the Cadillac on the stage. We got the Charger stage. And we're about ready to go. With all that muscle, here we go. Right-hand lane. 335 left-hand lane. Charger just takes that Cadillac on there. Neck and neck. Going down.
seriously, Daddy.
About halfway through it. 82 miles an hour left lane. 88 miles right-hand lane. And takes the win.
And y'all, we about to shoot us right after we
262, 114 miles an hour.
Okay, I'll see you. Daddy, kick this red car behind.
Paul Hansen, 2001 Audi A4, 2.0 liter against Robert Phillips, 2000 Chevy Monte Carlo. These two guys battling all night long. That's not 1 second.
Dad gotta wipe this red car.
Left-hand side. They're going down neck and neck.
Go, Daddy, go!
White car against white car, coming across the halfway mark, 66 miles an hour in lane 1, 72 miles an hour in lane 2, coming from that door. Looks like it could be, it is 15, 623. 90 miles an hour, lane 2 takes the win.
That black car think it can finish him off.
That car might win.
I like the white one better. Where's Daddy?
He coming down.
Daddy's
BMW almost stole the win, didn't happen. They won with the win, 14:34, 98 miles per hour. Attention in the pits, attention in the pits. It is last call. Last call for time runs, folks. Last call for time runs. We're going to start closing things up in the next few minutes. Once again, we're going to start closing up in the next few minutes. So if you want to get one more run tonight, you can get to these lanes right now. And not know. But we're looking for another run. Please, start
Where's Daddy?
the stage
He might go for
right now.
the real Daddy's gone.
Once again, folks, this is last
They
call.
did, I saw them.
Last time of the evening, need to have the stage lanes right now. We're going to start packing up in the next couple of minutes.
Why you ain't gonna close again? Boom. Everybody like Daddy Car. Up here. See, everybody goes
Right,
to
attention
that.
a bit.
Look.
The staging lanes are not closed. The staging lanes are not closed. The 3 folks already in line will still give you your pass. The staging lanes are not closed.
Are they what? Close?
Where Yana? It looks like Titi made a car. And there's somebody in there that was just...
Once again, staging lanes are not closed, folks. If you're already in line, we'll run you out. If you're not in line, we respectfully ask you to start packing up and heading on out so that we can do the same.